Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you're fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness, and you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me Asya, and today I show you in this video stylish and trendy collection of low maintenance hairstyles for girls and women. Many much more different ideas of low maintenance hairstyles with proper haircut, eye-catching hair dye. You see in this video, I hope you like it. Different ideas of hairstyles in low maintenance, some ideas, messy hairstyles, so beautiful collection of spiky hairstyle, beautiful spike with undercut, and so stylish collection of haircut, Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and a beautiful collection of hair dye, blonde color. Burgundy color, light brown, dark brown, black color, grey color, some ideas in funky colors. And many much more latest collection. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice. Very stylish and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video. Share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll dive back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.